You're welcome to my channel. We are still handling group data. In the previous video we managed to handle range and then mean deviation. So in this video we are going to look at variancy and then standard deviation. We are using the same question. So we start with variancy. The formula for calculating for variance is summation f into brackets x minus x bar squared out of summation f minus 1. That is the formula. So according to this formula, we need f, we need x, we need x bar, we need x minus x bar, then x minus x bar squared, and then f times x minus x bar. So we draw the table. The first thing we do is to write the class the way it was given in the question, so we put it here. Then the number of students is the frequency, so we come get it from here and then put it here as our frequency. We get its summation. Its summation is 60. If you add these, you get 60. Then after that, we get x. We saw how to get for x, like we get the average 10 plus 19 divide by 2. We get the classes 10 plus 19 divide by 2. We get 14.5. The last one, let's do the last one. 50 plus 59 divide by 2. We get 54.5. So you do the same thing for these. Then x bar we said x bar is the mean, and we had calculated for the mean. The mean is 32.3, so it's what we put as our x bar. In the column of x bar we put the mean, which was 32.3. It is constant. Then we shall need x minus x bar, x minus x bar. So we do it. X is 14.5 minus 32.3, which is negative 17.8. But we ignore the negative and only put 17.8. Let's do for the last one. 54.5 minus 32.3, which is 22.2. So we do the same thing for this, x minus x bar. Then we need x minus x bar squared. We simply square this. The figures here, we square them to get this. So the first one is 17.8, so 17.8 squared, 17.8 squared, we get 136.84. It is what we put here. Then the next 7.8 squared, 60.84. Then 2.2 squared, 4.84. 12.2 squared, 148.84. Then 22.2 squared, 492.82, and that is x minus x bar squared. You square x minus x bar. Then the next column is f times x minus x bar squared. So we get this times the f, this times this to get this. So here we shall do, for the first one it is 8 times this, so 8 times 316.84, which is 2534.7. What we put here, I don't know where I got that one from. So the next one is 16.8 the next one is 16 times this, 60.84, which is 1660. Then the next one is 21 this times this times 4.84, which is 110.8 this. So the first ones we change them. 8 times 316.84, it is, sorry, it's not this one, it is 2534.72. Then the next one, it is 16 times 60.84. Yes, that it is correct. 973.44. 8 times 316.84. Yeah, the first one I made a mistake, but the second one is okay, and the rest are okay. So the summation will change a bit. Yeah, so after that you get the summation of the figures. Yeah, so after getting the summation, it is what we call summation f into brackets x minus x bar squared. Yeah, you add this to get this. Then variance, we substitute in our formula. We said it is summation f x minus x bar squared out of summation f minus 1. This is the summation. It may change a bit because of some error. Yeah, so we get the summation. Then out of 60 minus 1, it becomes 59. Then put it in the calculator. It is 6584.92 divided by 59, which is 11.6. So it becomes the variance. Yeah. Then after that we go to standard deviation. Standard deviation, we said the formula for standard deviation is that it is the square root of variance, or it is, you get the formula of variance straight like the way it is, you put it in the square root, and it becomes the formula for standard deviation. Yeah, therefore for standard deviation we get the square root of variance, and variance is this. That's what we got. So we get square root, which is 10.56. Yeah, and that becomes our standard deviation. It may change a bit because of this error that I had here, but only that will be a small difference. Yeah, so this becomes our standard deviation, 10.6. Yeah, thanks for watching.